Hi, I'm Karen, and we're celebrating fall here at Fabric Editions with our Fabric Palette Georgia collection. The fall colors are perfect for an autumn quilt. The Dots and Dashes quilt is available free online. It's a download. It's a 60 by 60 inch quilt using the jelly strips and charms. I wanted to show you a few tips today about the circles that are part of this quilt. There are several ways to make circles nice and smooth to applique down with your favorite stitch, either by hand, with a blanket stitch, or a zigzag stitch. In the instructions, you're going to find a 4.5 inch circle template. You can use your fusible web product and trace, but in all of our fat quarters, you find a nice soft piece of cardboard. And what I like to do with that is use a ballpoint pen. It's a little bit on the dull side, and press down real hard to emboss a circle, that template, right into the cardboard. It's very clear to see. You can cut it out, and then you can go ahead and on your fusible web, on the paper side, the glue side is under here, you can easily make your circles. At that point, you're going to cut out loosely around your circle and take it over to your iron and fuse it to the wrong side of your charm square. Now, I've already done this one. You're going to fuse it down, cut right on that line, let it cool, and then pull off your paper backing. Once the paper backing is removed, you're going to feel that the glue is left onto your applique. On one of the white background squares, I folded it and creased it. That's going to help me find the center. I do the same thing with this little charm square, and I'm just going to use my fingers, and the heat of your fingers can press a little crease in there. Now you can easily line it up. Iron it down gently, and you can finish it with your favorite applique method. You may have heard of coffee filter applique. Many quilters are known to be frugal and clever with some things that they just have on hand. So I've used a coffee filter here. I pressed it out, and this makes a nice faced applique. Circle around it, and you're going to sew it onto the right side of your charm square and stitch around right on this line. You're going to cut a small X in the middle, and you can turn your applique right side out. The paper keeps a nice crisp edge. You do have to handle it a little bit gently, and with the tips of your fingers, just keep pressing out the paper edge. You can see how nice that's going to be. Nice and smooth. Now you're ready to applique it down. Again, you can crease it to find the center, pin it in place, and you have a nice smooth applique. When you get done, you do want to pull the paper out, so you're going to make a little clip in the back of your applique and then just tug that free. I hope that you'll visit fabriceditions.com, take a look at the Dots and Dashes quilt. Happy stitching!